Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at the Nitrams of Waterloo, and that's the building straight ahead under construction. It's residential apartments on Waterloo Road. The actual address is 44 Upper Waterloo Road. So we're giving you an update as to what's going on with the building. We're going to try and do these updates every 2 weeks so that you can see what's going on. So these are luxury apartments that are going up. The building is going to be 6 floors, and it's going to have 48 luxury apartments. Now, when you look at the drone footage of this building, it's huge. We're going to go to another angle, but although it's only 48 apartments, and that's a small amount compared to what's going on now, the apartments seem to be very large, because that's 6 floors, 8 apartments to a floor. That's 48. It's a massive building, and every building that we talk about, we're going to make the videos and also make drone videos of the building, so you can this will give you an example or an idea of just how large this building is. And I'm not sure if there's any real estate agent that visits this channel, but if you could tell us the price of these apartments when we make the videos about the buildings, because I heard a price of 28 million for these apartments, but I mean, that just seems low, that price. Because when you talk about like the Rogers apartments, which are further down, those apartments, you hear like $1 million US. You hear all sorts of different prices. We did a video of the Palm Beach villas in Runaway Bay, and we were hearing a price of like 400 million, which just doesn't really add up, basically. So if there's a real estate agent, or if anybody knows the price of what these apartments are selling for, you can just let us know. Leave a comment in the comment section, and we'll include it in future videos. Because we're going to try and, we're going to make update videos every 2 weeks. Maybe not all the buildings, but the major ones. another very nice complex, small compared to the others, but it's an echelon. Very nice, very modern looking. Alright, so we are on Upper Waterloo Road now, driving towards Waterloo Road. We are on Upper Waterloo Road now, driving towards Waterloo Road, so you get an idea of what the area looks like. On the right is one of the entrance to Mega Mart, and then coming up here on the right now is the Ligor Business Center. But that's where the Peppers nightclub, or I think it was more a restaurant, used to be. Very popular establishment. On the left is Annette Crescent, and then coming up on the right now, this massive building is Mega Mart. And that's Fontana Pharmacy on the right. That's a fairly new structure that went up recently. They have a Wendy's over there and a Starbucks. We're now at the intersection with West Kings House Road, and that's the Canadian Embassy on the left. Okay, now this road, this area has a lot of construction. Where you see that crane on the right, that's where they're building a hotel, Terra Nova Suites. It started as a residential development, but they changed their mind and turned it into a hotel. And that's on the right now is 20 South, which is a 10-story building. It's residential, luxury apartments. And on the right now, coming up soon into your view, is the Rogers, which is 27 floors, and it's also residential. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.